Okay, so this is my electric fireplace that I built in the corner of my living room. Let's see. So there's different settings for heat levels. It does put off some really good heat actually. But it actually looks super realistic. That wood actually even looks like real wood. But you can change the crackling to off. You could do it with the crackling with wind. I think that's just crackling. It's like a lower crackling. It's got the wind with the crackling. And that red light eventually goes off. So it just blends right in. But there's also a little door that you can open up and you can actually control it from there as well. But, so that's the wind one. A little bit lower, the wind one. Lower even, and then off. I like the regular crackling one. And then the lights, it's got high, medium, and low, and off. So there's off. Okay, so there's high, and that's got the blue flame. And this is the one we usually typically will use. And then there's the low flame right there. And again, off. But the heat also, you can control the heat by there's a thermostat in here. You can actually regulate the temperature using that little, there we go. That's on off button, but there's that. And then there's your, oh, there's the on off button, sorry. Okay. It's nice, I love it. It's pretty realistic sounding too. And the heat is amazing. There's different heat levels. You can do high heat, low heat, or just completely off. So we enjoy it. There's just enough heat where it kind of heats up this main area of the living room.
So this is the PuraFlame fireplace that I got. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty real for the most part. And I have a wood fireplace, so what I did is I just cleaned out everything inside, and this is like a little box that comes, and you just slide it in, and then you plug it in, and that's it. So I really like this. I think it's pretty good for the money, and compared to many I've seen, this looks more realistic. So I would definitely say this is a good product. I haven't had any problems with it at all. It gives you sound if you want it. It gives you three different levels of fire. It gives you 2 different levels of heat. And you can use it without the heat, without the sound, and just use it to be pretty. It is just, yeah, I'm really happy with it. So, like I said, I had a wood burning fireplace, so it was pretty easy for me. I just cleaned it out and stuck that in. So anyway, I hope you like it.
Very happy. I love this fireplace.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's 3 fire settings. There's blue, orange, only
Oh, neat.
small.
Oh, that's very ambiance. Whoa. Pretty.
Fire noise.
He's making fire noises. Whoa.
That's cool.
Nice new fireplace with lifelike crackling sound if you want, and different color changes too. Whoops. Whoa. Off. Some nice blue. Pretty cool. Very cool.
Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, then let me see.
narrow down everything.
About your dad and who he really is. About you and Jordan.